everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Jeanette. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, certified makeup artist, and soon to be esthetician. I make videos about beauty and lifestyle on this channel, ranging from hauls, makeup tutorials, fashion videos, clean with me's, and all that fun stuff. And today's video is going to be a clean with me. I recently got brand new furniture in my room and I had to desperately clean up because it was a mess, moving everything around. So this video is just me cleaning up my room, and it's a very quick video. I hope you guys like it. And I'm going to be doing some more room organization videos very soon, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a video so you don't miss out on a single upload. I upload every Monday and Friday at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So with that being said, let's just get on with the video. This, you guys, is the fun part because I had to take everything off of my vanity to move it from here to here. So, at least pretty much everything. So, putting stuff back and moving all this stuff around is going to be fun. So, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to throw everything just like on the floor over there. And we're going to figure it out from there. So, yeah. Well, that happened. Alright, the camera's okay. So, I guess that's all that matters. So this is all what's left in the bin that I was putting stuff away from. This is what the vanity looks like so far. I am just going to continue working on the bin. My camera has to charge, so I'm going to do that while I finish up the rest of that, and I'll be right back when I'm done with it. I completely forgot about this pile of stuff I had on the floor that I took off the vanity, so I'm going to do that now. That's a cabinet on the bed, and this is a cabinet on the bed, so I have stuff in this one. I'm going to throw some stuff in here and put the rest of the stuff on the vanity, put it where it's supposed to go, and I will get back. So this is the final look of the way my room looks now. It is completely different than it looked before. I am so happy with the way everything came out, and that on the floor is just a box of my Shein order that came today, so probably tomorrow or Friday I'm gonna be filming the video. And yeah, this was the way everything turned out, and I'm really happy with it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. So that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my clean with me, and hope you guys like my new room. There will be a room tour coming soon. My room was honestly a mess again because it just is. So I'm gonna clean it again soon and do a room tour. So stay tuned for that. Like I said in the beginning of this video, make sure the notification bell is turned on so you're notified when I do upload that room tour. And comment down below what other videos you would like to see me do. If you're wondering where the shirt is from, it is from Shein. I did a Shein haul recently, so I'll link that video in the iCard up above. It is a very huge haul, and I'm sure you guys will like everything that I got. So be sure to watch that video. Comment down below other videos you would like to see from me. Like this video if you liked it, and it'll help my channel out a lot. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!